Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I would like to show you how to add a shadow for your drawings. Okay, for the first one I would like to draw like a circle, easy for you, for the beginner first. Okay, I use the brush to make a circle, perfect circle, and then I add the color with. And then easy to add a shadow. You need to know about where is the sunlight come from. Okay, that's what I would like to add about the light. Let's see, step by step, easy, don't worry about this one. Now I try to add about the shadow, the light, where the sunlight come from. It is based on your style. Sometimes you use the eraser to delete it, or you can use the brush to add more the color based on your style. That is okay, you can do which style you want. Okay, and then when you draw it, so you understand where the light come from. And then I add one more layer. You know why? Because I want the shadow is come from the real drawing, right? The circle is need to come from the circle, the rectangle come from the rectangle, so you duplicate it so it is easy for you. Just double for the layer. Okay, but you need to use about the adjustment tool that is easy to transform. Okay, to add the color, to make your color is dark or light. Now you to transform to edit it, but as you see that the shadow and the lighting is different. From the bottom of your picture it must be dark, it's not light, so I will transform it like a 45 degree, and then I use the sort to sort it one by one, like to follow about the sunlight. Okay, I move a little bit. Make sure you move with the point, the vector point of this the transfer of the layer. Anyway, for this one I like to add capacity, because the shadow is a little bit light, so I need to add it more dark. Okay, this one you see, make sure the shadow layer is under the real picture. Okay, and then make sure the shadow is always not clear, it need to be blur. But blur, make sure when you want to blur, you need to turn the left to the right, as you see, blur and clear. Okay, but make sure you look at the tops about the blue color, so you can know that is the blur 100% or not. Okay, I will like to add a little bit more. Lighter is easy, and then I see it, so I would like to add more the brush. Easy, I lazy to add to play with the opacity of it, so I will add with the brush. But make sure when you add the brush that is use alpha locks, so your drawing cannot outside your layer. Okay, I see. Do it one by one. Okay, you see, with the drawing and with the shadow. So that is just my a little bit sharing the tip for the add shadow. So if you don't understand anything, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for me if you like my video. And if you have any question, you can comment below and ask me, and I will try to make a video about tutorials for you. Okay, thank you, see you tomorrow, and make sure you draw it very clean. Work smart, don't work hard. Okay, see you.